So we've done another one. Oi! Right, first of all guys, jack up your car. Apparently, news to me, it's all... Today, we're gonna ruin my daily again. The fucking Verossa. IS 200 under here, so... That's why my coilovers say SXE 10 on the box. That was a nice worry. When it said SXE 10, I couldn't even print JZX 110. We've went with some Dual-Techs because I'm a cheapskate on the daily. I was going to go max speeding rods. 14k rear, 16k fronts. I just ordered the stiffest, which
You got
was...
any stickers?
I got one bag, the smallest bag of Haribo I've ever seen. Let's. I'm only doing this because my tyres are dry rotted. I can't just fit 18s, can I? Without coilovers, because it'd look like a donk. Let's jack it up off the sill.
Just an idiot, are you? But while he's doing that, I'm going to show you what he tried to do when I won here. He thinks he's a tyre fitter, is he? So he was taking his tyres off and then decided to put a hole through the sidewall, and now he's going to glue it back together. But he's putting some spicy boys back on. That one survived, so we're okay there. Well, these are the ones I keep persuading him to put on, but he's been a bit of a bitch. He wants to put them on. Put the gash.
Guys!
What?
Is there any normal wheel nuts?
For Toyota?
1.5. I've got some coming
I have.
from Brad,
I have.
Josh, Brothers, whoever it is. Giving me a free set.
Free?
He ordered a set and they sent him two. So he's giving me, I says, oh, then. I put them up for money and I says, oh, then. Because you can have.
See, Grant's really a cheapskate.
What, because I bought Dual-Techs instead of mono pro?
Or instead of CS2s.
Yeah, or instead, yeah, it's a 1J, but it's a fucking FSE, so it don't need the best.
So what's this, Grant? Is it a 1J?
Best bit is, this is on the dinghy,
What's a dinger?
the numbers, it says JZX 110, not GX 110.
So this is the 1J twin turbo VVTI.
No, this is a 1JZ FSE.
So which is a non-turbo IS
what's
200. So it has no turbos.
Of course it ain't got no turbos, it's fucking daily, don't touch that.
It's fuel, eh?
Yes, from a fuel.
So what you doing, mate? Do you know what you're doing?
Have I ever done coilovers on a Toyota?
See, I've offered to do it, but it's going to cost him.
Get out of the way.
But it's so cheap, he won't even pay me
Excuse
anymore.
me. Why am I suddenly coming off as fucking cheap now?
Took my status, because I am the broke one with no money.
Mush, where's my extension for my medium ratchet?
But the black one?
No, the silver one.
Fuck knows. Is it going to be... Is it going to look like flat earth? Or is your head going to be in the way? Yeah, it's got a big fucking head. The size of it.
Did you give me my extension?
Yeah. Just loosen them, you should come off.
Loosen them. And then I'll undo the tops and then I'll do that and then it'll break my fingers with it as it releases. So what should I do?
Take the top off and then take that one off. Because that'll hold it on the car.
What will? Then?
Too. Yeah.
So what should I do?
Just undo it until it falls off, basically.
I know that. That's the method I'm going for. You pull me off?
Dual.
I wish I had my ratcheted 19, you know.
Where is it, in Japan?
Well, it's in
Is it in Japan or Belgium?
Germany.
Or fucking Birmingham?
Am I supposed to get that out of it?
Which?
Which one do I?
That's the coilover. What are you trying to do?
Oh, it's loose.
Have you got the nut?
Yeah.
You keep
It's one of them. I think it's that one.
Should look at the other side.
It's that one.
So you're not doing this properly, because look. What do you want me to do? You pretend this is the arm, yeah?
Yeah.
Put that one there, so that's the coilover. And then put the next one there, so you know it's the inner arm.
I'll
And
do
put the two on the top, so then when you come back, it's in order.
What I don't want to do is this kick me.
It's gonna keep there. That's under fucking tension, Mark.
Well, what do I do now?
Just undo it and run.
What?
Run.
Try and do it, look. Get a piece of wood and a jack.
Yeah.
Put the arm. But you can't get that out. This is the biggest piece of wood. I'm sick of you breaking my wood, man. I'm not going to sheet wood. Get it then. That wood's sick. I'm trying to make a fucking table. You can't keep taking my good wood, man.
I don't get what I'm doing here. Just checking it open up.
Listen.
Okay, I'm listening. It's just your problem is now you don't want to help unless you're getting paid.
Well, are you getting paid?
No, 'cause it's smart.
Do you get to work?
Yeah.
Are you doing? Go on.
Does that mean you can't help
Come
me?
on, put it on the lower arm. Not right at the lowest point. I can help you, this isn't a costume. Oh, whatever. It should be like a perfect little point. Wait, what's that?
I'll just lower it down.
No. Where's your nut? Ooh, grab a hammer. Grab a 20 ounce. Still.
My God!
Alright. What about a piece of timber? Sure.
Oh, a piece.
There you go.
Well, I could have sworn I did, but obviously I'm tick.
One out. You can see there's quite a bit of a length difference. That's probably more than 100 million. It's probably like 120, 130, 140. Go all the way down. Once you lower, you can never go that up.
Let's get this in.
I need you to there's some bolts, guys.
Fucking lower arms a mile away. I mean, I can build the bottom.
I'm going to say build the bottom and use the piece of wood with a jack to push it up to the body.
I fucking will, I. Nut at the back.
Washer at the back.
Look at this fucking sweat. Got him in now, nearly gazzed it out because I'm fake. I would have done it eventually, but it would have just been eventually, wouldn't it? Would have been dark. I would have just done it over the next 4 days. So that's both the rays done.
How are we getting on?
We're in the bottom coilover ball. I've got to do the ball joint out.
No, you can take the steering arm off and the inner arm. You might drop it down enough.
Can't physically come out, look.
You ain't gonna be able to drop that enough. You're gonna have to drop that.
You don't have to. You just did that.
I think that worked.
You did.
You have to fucking struggle up, fuck. Who's gonna cut the cunt in half? If you take that off and that doesn't drop down enough, Whereas if you drop that one, it would, these arms might keep it. I'd literally undo that.
That's the alignment one.
So, you know your alignment's going to be fucking anyway. How many miles has it got?
86.
Cut this and push it up and then put it in there.
I hate Christmas spells.
Why do you keep taking nuts off again?
Huh?
Take that off. Take it all off. You can take this off, but I cannot see it.
That's what we did. But I am trying to figure out, like, does it give enough slack? It must do, don't it? The whole thing just comes down then, don't it?
Yeah. Well, that shit's going to spin. 17 Alex. Put down.
You weeks as well.
No, it's not
Something else that is. That's some aggro side, that isn't it?
You can do it! You love it. Just come along from the I'm going to fuck off again for us. So.
Get Lee made to do the shit big. 12s.
14.
More than 12s.
Alright.
I took 14. So we've done another one. When I say me, Gaz, come and save me. And I swear these videos, them all the same.
What have you talking?
Yeah, and me. Oh, it's even that far away.
You got that much?
Are you going to leave that on there?
Yeah.
Oh,
Inspiration.
I don't like leaving wheels like that. I'm scared. Alright, let's get this on. You ain't got the fucking mic in.
Oh shit.
It's alright.
Doesn't matter. She'll put it in and try it. Or will it go mute then? Do we have to press pause and reset and restart?
I need to fix that arch.
Get the hammer. Yeah, you got the rubber one here.
I'm trying to get that in there. I'm just going to
Or is you just go...
Right. Do they suit it?
Looks lovely. Listen, stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing. Put the bar in further down, like down there. Put it halfway in. That's it.
I've never rolled an arch backwards before.
Was you not tried hard enough then?
To what?
We've done it all the time on the front. Moist peeling the fuckers out.
Who is?
Me.
Do you have peeled arches on a car since your S14?
Which was in 1994. It's because it had stock metal arches and I was like trying to preserve them.
Oh, I've run stock metal arches.
You run stock razors, man.
I'm not ready for it.
Everyone loves the 33.
They do.
It's like the SS Tipton. Happy. Getting old. Oh, that's better. You're going to put the works faces, no, the MAE faces in these lip wheels in.
Are you taking the piece? I can see that face.
Fucking I can't see a reflection in it, can you? The front looks shit, mate, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah. I should get outside now.
Is that full camber now? Oh,
Yeah.
this side's way lower.
Is it?
Yeah, you must put it onto roll bar. We haven't got an anti-roll bar on the back. To be fair, once the tyres are seated properly, the better. It's just this side's not seated properly yet. Watch me, Civic. No, she's not low enough, that's why. Fuel pump's quite noisy, are you?
I can't read anything in this thing. Look at that, not catch.
Because the cambered in.
Ruined. Ruined 101. That needs like 20 mil.
To be fair, you could just lower that down, look. You have to wait for the suspension to settle. This, I don't know what the fuck's happening with this. There's something missing from here. I like it. It needs to come down in the front there. How to ruin another vehicle. Meant to be his daily as well. Silly cunt. Bye.